This allowed the company to respond to the challenge of the United Nations for the private sector to actively contribute in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Nature's Legacy is a B Corp certified manufacturers, eco-friendly and high-quality home and office furnishings, decors, and architectural features based in Cebu, Philippines. Our business model is built around 360 degrees sustainability principle to support our corporate aim of achieving triple bottom line, generating enough profit to financially sustain our operation while ensuring that we conserve the environment, promote inclusive development among our employees and bigger community. This allowed the company to respond to the challenge of the United Nations for the private sector to actively contribute in achieving the Sustainable Development Goals. Nature's Legacy creates designs and pieces that have the lowest environmental footprint possible through the adoption of circular economy and green technology approaches in manufacturing. Our flagship product inventions, Nature's Cast and New Cast, are respectively made from agroforest debris and recycled paper, held together by our eco-friendly proprietary binder. The sustainability of this material innovation has been validated by the highest level of industry standards, with Nature's Cast already passing the qualifying assessment of Cradle to Cradle, and soon making Nature's Legacy the first company in the Philippines to be accredited by the said international certifying body. Nature's Cast and New Cast are embodiments of the sustainable and inclusive spirit of Nature's Legacy. From the sourcing of raw materials down to the finishing touches, we put nature and people at the core of production. The material innovations are not only made from recycled or organic matter, but they are also manufactured using low energy technology and water completely harvested from rain. These are done in a conducive working environment that provides fair compensation, guarantees safety and zero tolerance for any form of being of our employees. Hence, we see Nature's Cast and New Cast as the convergence of equal value that our company gives planet, people, and profit. For Nature's Legacy, the theme Plastic Free is a manifestation of our 360 degrees sustainability principle. Being able to provide high quality and durable pieces using natural and recycled materials connects our customer with nature without leaving their homes and offices. But beyond the physical product, we intend to provide a purpose-driven experience, knowing that items obtained from us have adopted sustainable and fair trade manufacturing processes. This enables our customers to reimagine a plastic-free living, one that allows you to make your home or office functional and yet aesthetically pleasing without causing harm to the environment as well as to the other people. Since 2004, Maison&Objet has been our place of convergence. We meet our clients and designers from Europe, as well as other parts of the world, to get inspired and related to the market we serve. Here in Maison&Objet, we see where the designs are going through product presentation and lifestyle setting. As the saying goes, an early bird catches the best worm, because being first and early in the market is always great.